Right, so here's the table of data that we want to graph. So to make a graph in Sheets, we want to highlight that data, including the titles. We can then hit the Insert Chart button. Chart means the same as graph, and it tries to figure out what type of graph that you want. Now, a line graph here doesn't really make sense. We've got to change the graph type to a scatter graph, and that gives it a dot for each of the data points. But you can see here that the scale of the Maths GPA starts at 0 and goes all the way to 80. So we want to lengthen that out so we can customize that scale by going to the vertical axis, and we want the minimum value to be the lowest number. So in this case, it's 0.3 or 30%, and then the maximum value 0.8 or 80%. And that's now spread that data out so it's easier to see. The other thing that we can add is a line of best fit. The series, and right down the bottom, you can see the trend line. So the trend of all those data points going up, obviously the more homework people did, generally the higher the GPA they got.